Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Taku, but if it's not your first time here, welcome back. So this video is a bit different from my usual vlogs and my usual sit down cruise ship sit down videos that I've been doing recently. This one it's just something that I just literally thought of after taking a shower. So I am going to be posting a meal prep video every week. The reason why I'm doing this is for personal benefits. Honestly, I have gone off track with my eating healthy lifestyle and also with my workout. So this time around I've decided to do an episode every week where I meal prep with you guys. I'm gonna close the window. I'm back. So yeah, that's my goal actually. So my goal is to document it so that I post it here so that I can be consistent. Yeah, because life gets busy, and sometimes when we're tired from work, we kind of pick whatever the first thing that we're seeing close to us, and then we just eat it, and most of the time we end up not eating healthy and end up not achieving our goal. So yeah, and also if you're also going through the weight loss journey as well, you can also share the meals that you're eating or what you've eaten in the comment section, just to give each other motivation, because yeah, weight loss journey is not easy. But yeah, for me, I've been going in out, and right now I want to be full time and be consistent and literally held myself accountable with the things that I'm doing. So that's why I'm doing this. So because it's something that I just literally thought of or literally decided on doing when I was taking a shower. I know what I want to eat. Right now it's in the afternoon already. It's already 1. I haven't eaten my breakfast, you see, which is, if you are going to the gym, working out and stuff like that, breakfast is really important. You're not supposed to skip breakfast. But because I didn't have anything in mind, I did not have anything prepared, I just couldn't have the motivation to literally pick something to eat. I'm gonna have to choose and decide what I'm gonna make for lunch and dinner. But for now, I'm gonna make the pancakes. I bought the flour for the pancakes, ready mix. So yeah, let us do that. Let's dive into this video. Let's make breakfast and then decide what I'm gonna be wanting to eat for this week for lunch and for dinner. Yeah, but we're gonna do the whole full meal prep for this whole week in this video. So we're gonna prepare breakfast, lunch and dinner. Yeah, so yeah, let's do that. I'm excited. I hope you are excited as well. Okay.
We say we were good together. I would say we had fun, but our trails will never run forever. Something else is on your mind, like everything that's good in life always come to an end. We're letting go, drifting apart. There's no use trying to pretend. And I know that it's over. Got the look on your face. It's too hard to explain, but the worst is the pain when you pronounce my name and you say, Gloria, please don't cry for me. Oh, Gloria, please don't cry for me. Yeah. I can hurt you like you hurt me too. Then we make love when we are done. Breaking up and then get back together. You're the trigger to my gun. But like everything that's bad It's so hard to explain, but the words is the pain when you pronounce my name. Gloria, please, don't cry for me. Don't cry for me. Gloria, please. Don't Gloria, please. Don't cry for me. Why do it?
Okay guys, so I'm done making my pancakes. I got distracted a little bit with my family. I was on a video calling with my family and stuff like that, and the first videos I was recording with my phone because my camera was on charger and stuff like that. I think you can tell with, like, you know, the quality, picture quality, video quality and stuff like that. But anyways, I am done making my pancakes. So I just made pancakes for the week, so I'm gonna be having 2 pancakes a day. I don't know if you can see, but this is what I'm going to be having for my breakfast brunch today. Since I did not have breakfast and it's already in the afternoon, this is the idea that I'm trying to create for my breakfast for the week. So I have 2 pancakes, I have half an avocado, and I have 1 egg. So this is the idea of how my breakfast is going to be for the whole week. So sometimes instead of having an avocado, I'm going to be having a fruit or something with a boiled egg, but literally 2 pancakes. So yeah, that's it for breakfast. And for lunch and dinner, you're gonna see it. I'm not gonna tell you now. By the way, I love my my apron. So I bought this apron from the vintage thrift store. So yeah, I like it. I love it. I think I'll go back and buy more. Yeah. Okay, I'm gonna eat. So yeah, I think it's done. I'm just gonna give it like a taste, and you know, because this is the first time I'm making this recipe, so this is what I'm gonna taste. I don't want to taste like heavy and a lot, because I'll be going to the gym soon, and I just finished having a banana. So like I literally had a whole banana, so I don't want to go to the gym feeling uncomfortable to work out and stuff. So yeah, let's give it a taste. Okay, microphone on. I don't know, I don't have like time and patience to like let it cool a little bit. Yeah. It's tasting good. It's tasting amazing. Yeah. Some of you are looking at me and saying, what else can she say, because she's the one that cooked. I mean, it's good. I like it. Yeah. Yes, I like it. It's something that I see myself eating for the next 4 days, maybe 3-4 days, or even 5 days. Yeah. So I'm thinking of going to Walmart or somewhere to get the cottage cheese, and then I eat it with, you know, with cottage cheese. Yeah. So yeah, I'm gonna show you how it's gonna look like. So I do have some leftover rice that I have here. There's rice and beans, and here there's a little bit of Ghanaian jollof rice with some chicken. So we had a youth conference this week, and they were giving us like food in like you know, like a takeaway box, and it was literally a lot. So every time I was like eating, I was not finishing it, and I was just bringing it back home, and we had lots of rice. So we ate so much of rice. So this is gonna be, I'm thinking of like eating this for lunch, and some small vegetables, like mixed vegetables with some salad. I'm gonna show you like when I'm eating it one of these days. But yeah, that's gonna be it. So I don't know if I'm ending this video here or what, but if you have watched until the end, thank you so much for watching, and just leave some love, like, and also let's just discuss what we're having for the people that are on a weight loss journey, or even if you're not on a weight loss journey but you're just watching your weight, you're just watching your weight, and you know, yeah, you can just comment in the comment section what you're eating this week, or if you have meal prepped, what you have meal prepped, and what's your goal and stuff like that, you know, just to, you know, yeah, we can do that. So yeah, thank you so much guys for watching, and I'll see you on the next meal prep, which is going to be next week. So I'm planning on like doing it like an episode, one video a week for the meal preps and stuff like that. So if God allows, if God permits, I shall see you next week. Other than that, if you guys see me, you know, like relaxing on making these meal prep videos, please hold me accountable gently and respectfully, so that I cannot just leave it like that. So if you do not see me, if you don't receive a video a week for meal prepping, you can just look for me in my DMs and say, hey, where is the meal prep video? Yeah, okay guys, because the goal is for me to, like, you know, be consistent and for me to be like more onto my weight loss journey and into my, you know, yeah, everything, you know, like what I mean. Yeah, so if I do not drop a video, you look for me and you ask me questions. Why didn't I drop the video? And I'll have to give you an answer. Yeah? Okay, guys. See you on the next one. Ciao for now.